Hey, what's going on everyone? Chris back with another video. Today we're going to be going over something that's new that I haven't actually had experience in. This is going to be a Lofree dot Bluetooth mechanical keyboard. First heard of them on their Kickstarter that they had, and very different styling of keyboard. It's kind of a mix between a typewriter, has mechanical keys, and it's aesthetically pleasing. So I picked this up actually on Amazon. I've been following their Facebook social channel for quite a while, and I actually got hit up by a sponsored ad for a discount for the keyboard. And it was about $26 with the discount. Normally it is $100. And this is going to be the EH112 Bluetooth mechanical keyboard. Interesting presentation. Unfortunately, the box is a little damaged from shipping, but no big deal. Just like that. It is a Chinese company, but that is their logo. Again, Lofree. They have a lot of different colors. This is going to be like a light blue. This is one of their first colors they came out with since they've come out with a 4 seasons, which basically different color combinations to match that of the seasons throughout the year. And here we have unboxing, some little foam there. Here is the keyboard itself. Set that aside real quick. Now this is Bluetooth, so this will work with your computer, this will work with iPhones, this will work also with iPads, Android devices, anything that uses practically Bluetooth. Fortunately, all this is in Chinese. I cannot read a single thing, so that's very unfortunate. I'm not sure if buying it from their website gives you different language instructions. So yeah, that's interesting. I'm guessing this is a warranty card. Yeah, it seems like. Here is your little box with cable. So this can actually be Bluetooth or wired, and this will also be how you charge via micro USB. Fortunately, it's not USB-C. That would have been a super nice touch to have if it was, but at least this is kind of like a right angle, so that way it's not sticking out or in the way on your desk or anything like that. Let's get into the keyboard itself here. So again, this is the kind of mint blue, light blue color with black keycaps. And on the bottom here we have your rubber feet, which unfortunately are not detachable. They don't change height or anything like that. So this is a blue-green, kind of like maybe a Next Bit Robin, and if you haven't remember that, this is like a mint color green. On the side here, we have your micro USB where that's going to charge or wired into your computer, your Bluetooth switch to power on, off, or change it to Bluetooth, and then a little switch over here changing it from Mac or iOS or Windows Android, just like that. This is also backlit, so that is looking very, very nice. Now this isn't a very conventional style layout for your keys. If normally your W is directly above the S key, now it's in between the A and S, so you might have to relearn where some of your typing is. Let's check out how typing is on this. So the key travel is very nice. I don't have much experience in terms of mechanical key switches, but this is I would say maybe from my little experience that I have, potentially what I would think a blue MX blue key switch would feel like, and potentially maybe I think it's a brown if I'm not mistaken, but these don't use MX key switches, unfortunately. That's not too big of a deal. It's as long as you like the feel of it. Now the keys do wobble around like this a little bit. Not sure if that could be fixed somehow, maybe with modifications or anything like that. All right, so you can actually have 3 different connections. So you could switch between connection 1 being, let's say, your computer, 2 being your Android device, and 3 being, like, let's say, a MacBook Pro or an iPad Pro or something like that. You can actually change the brightness holding down the F key. There's 3 levels. That's off, 1 level, and that's max brightness. Unfortunately, this isn't RGB or any other special colors. It's not going to have any cool, nifty patterns of when you're typing. It doesn't change colors, anything like that. But it's definitely going to be hard to get used to with these round keys. You're going to have to pretty much adapt and relearn how you're going to type. The shift key over here is a standard length cap. Tab isn't. That's interesting. Usually these 3 are kind of similar sized. This is also a Mac layout, so you do have your Mac Alt button right there, and here as well on both sides of the shift, on both sides of the space bar. The shift here is smaller, so it's not the same size as the left, and these arrow keys are really funky. These aren't the standard, like, on top of each other. There's left, down, right, up. So normally it would be kind of like this for up, down, but it's kind of up, down, and the left is way over here. Very, very interesting layout. I'm gonna have to check this out, how this is gonna feel maybe during typing, during my normal day at work. Maybe play some games on it, see how I might have to adapt with that, things like this. But plastic build, there's really no flex whatsoever. The keys have a matte finish, kind of a soft touch finish to it as well, which feels nice. I'm glad that these are black. At least they do have other colors, which the keycaps are either white, very light pastel type colors, which may change color over time. I'm not sure, but at least black, you don't have to worry about them changing colors. Now we do have the keycaps removed, lightweight, and we can see not sure if we're going to be able to change the keycaps out to, let's say, standard keycaps. That might be an interesting exploration, if that's even possible. I don't know. What do you think? But overall, it's sturdy. It stays nice and in position on the table, as you can see here. Very minimal. If you want something that's aesthetically pleasing, if you want something that's different, if you enjoy kind of like a typewriter type feel or look, if you want mechanical key switches, you may want to check Lofree out. Now, it is it's unique. You're definitely gonna get some questions, especially if maybe, let's say, you use this for work, or if you have this on your work desk, workspace at home with just like a monitor and maybe like an all-in-one, something like that. There's no numpad, unfortunately. They are in the process of making a numpad that is Bluetooth and is also a calculator built in, so that you might be able to interchange as far as your look and make it match. They do also make wrist rest. They do have a mouse pad, lots of different colors. I'll leave the links where you can purchase this on Amazon. Again, right now it's $100 or so. They might go on sale, but check it out in the description below on Amazon. If you guys have questions about the Lofree mechanical Bluetooth keyboard, let me know. Ask down below. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Take care.